Morning, Betty. What, right now? Building 36?
I didn't even know there was a building 36. Must be important. Everyone's here. We got propulsion, aerothermal, flight dynamics.
Anyone know why you're here?
For this. Good morning. We're going to create America's next spacecraft. It's going to launch like a rocket and land like an airplane, and it's going to be reusable.
Can't do that with a rocket.
It's not a rocket, it's a shuttle.
Now it's time to go to the next step. Sketch pad to launch pad. Going to the moon was a camping trip. Now our job is to work and live in space. This vehicle has to do something we have never done before. Perform 4 key tasks and be able to do them over and over again. There is nothing easy about putting a ship back up into space, let alone a whole fleet of ships. But first, let's talk about the launch. We have never designed engines and vehicles that can be reused. But we will, and once we're in orbit, we go to work. We want to take all kinds of cargo up there in addition to the people, science labs, satellites, even a space station. And when all the work is done, we got to bring everybody back home. All right now, country's waiting. Let's build ourselves a space shuttle.
It's too big, it's too heavy, but we're launching one spaceship on the back of an even bigger one.
What if we split the booster into its pieces? Rockets, fuel tank.
It's supposed to be reusable. How do we get all those parts home?
What if we just throw the fuel tank away? We're running all new processes, procedures, manuals. We've never had to reuse a ship before.
We're also have built some really big garages.
Sir, what if she lands somewhere other than Florida? How does she get back here? It's a glider.
Buy her a plane ticket home.
Ablative heat shields are heavy, and they burn up on re-entry. We need a more reusable solution. Silica foam ties, thousands of them, fitted together in one lightweight, reusable heat shield.
Another hold up with the engines. Tell me some good news with the tiles.
The heat shield bond keeps failing. The tiles keep falling off.
Someone else's way. How long? How long?
1.5 to 2 years.
Well, this is what we found to tell my boss. Everybody get back to work. let you know when they come home.
The President's message said you go forward this morning on a daring enterprise and you carry the hopes and prayers of all Americans with you. And astronaut John Young, the commander of the mission, replied, "That's a right fine speech. We sure appreciate it."
This launch of Columbia marks NASA's first manned test flight ever flown into space with people on board.
Up on the 5-minute point. Mark, T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
After Friday's failed launch attempt, it does appear